The Constitution of India is one of the finest crafted constitution in the world, and this Constitution Assembly under the Cabinet Mission was created, and B.R. Ambedkar was the head of the committee, which was the drafting committee of the Indian Constitution. Thus, he drafted the entire Constitution, and this Constitution was enforced on 26th Jan 1950, and that's why we celebrate it as a Republic Day every year on this day. And here are some silent features of the Indian Constitution. Firstly, it is one of the lengthiest constitution in the world. Indian Constitution has most detailed of all the written constitution of in the world, and it is because of not only the essential rights are given in it under it, but detailed administrative instructions are also given under it. An ordinary text of the Constitution, it contains 395 articles in 22 parts and 8 schedules. Number of articles has now since increased to 448 due to 100 amendment. And secondly, there is a silent feature as parliamentary form of government. The Constitution of India establishes a parliamentary form of government where both center and the state government exist. The essence of the Constitution is blend with the rigidity and flexibility, and a rigid Constitution is one which requires a special method of amendment of any of its provision, and whereas in a flexible Constitution any of its provisions can be amended by ordinary legislature process. And further, there is a fundamental right where the incorporation of formal declaration of fundamental rights is written in a part 3 of the Indian Constitution, which is deemed to be as distinguished features of the democratic state. And further, there is a directive principle of the state policies, which is described under the part 4 of the Indian Constitution, which set out the aim and objectives to be taken up by the states in the governance of the country. There is a federation with the strong centralization tendency. The most remarkable features of the Indian Constitution is that, being a federal constitution, it requires a unitary character during the time of emergency, and the central government is empowered to give directions to share as to the matter in which it should exercise its executive powers. Further, there is an adult suffrage. The old system of communal electorates has been abolished, and uniform adult suffrage system has been adopted. Under the Indian Constitution, every man and woman who has been aged of 18 years or above 18 years has been given the right to elect representatives for the legislative. And further, there is an independent judiciary. The powers of the judicial review has been established under the Indian. Another feature of the Indian Constitution is the secular state. Secular state has no religion of its own as a recognized religion of the state, and it treats all the religions as equal one. And single citizenship is another feature of the Indian Constitution. Though our Indian Constitution is a federal one and provides for the dual policy of the government, that is the central and the state government, but it provides for a citizenship for the whole of India. And other than this, there is only one citizenship in India, that is the citizenship of India. And fundamental duties which are been recognized under the Constitution and the written Constitution. The Constitution Act of 1976 has introduced the 10 fundamental duties for citizens with the Constitutional 86th Amendment Act 2002. Guys, with this we come to know about the Indian Constitution, that is the salient features of the Constitution, and it's all done. And please do subscribe this channel. Let's click.